Hi, in this video I will show how to convert Evtx file to XLS format, which is old Excel format. You can see I have a Evtx file. I can double click on it to open into Evtx viewer. It's a free app. It's showing what is inside of the Evtx file, and you can see we have 3000 events stored into it, and we have channel, computer, time created, name, GUID, event ID, and we have some data associated with this event, user, driver name, and some other parameters. But they're not for every event, because events could be different and could have a different data. So this is like common table that contains all events. And also in this viewer I can export into different formats, and it doesn't have all the XLS formats. This is why I will be using this file to convert it to XLS or old Excel format with the application I will install from this website. I will leave the link on viewer and website into description. So to find application I will click on search and type Evtx, and I need Evtx converters page. Here it is, and I will need Evtx to XLS, which is this one. And I will click on the load button to start the loading process and wait until archive will be downloaded on my computer. I will be recording more videos on how to convert Evtx files, so if you are interested, please consider subscribing to my channel. And if you'd like to see more application like this and more video like this, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. We are waiting for archive to be downloaded from Google Cloud, and it's taking a while because Google Cloud is scanning all archives, so we wait for that. And you can see archive has been downloaded. I'll click on downloaded archive, double click on MSI inside archive, and click on more info here. I'm getting this screen from Windows because I'm not registered publisher with Microsoft. You can see publisher unknown, so I'll just click run anyway to start installation. Click on next install, click on yes, and click finish on final screen, and you can see I have a new application installed. I have a new shortcut Evtx to Excel on my computer, so I can close this and this and this, and double click on shortcut to launch app. Now conversion is 3 steps process. In step 1 we will select events file. I will navigate to my documents, and I have 2 MB 3000 events file here. Click on next step. Here on this step I can select which columns I would like to see in my events. For example, if I want to select maybe time created, like I know that it happens on one computer, so I don't need computer or channel or GUID or maybe other thing, but let's select data, which is associated with every record, and maybe user ID. If it's, I don't need user ID, I can skip user ID. Yeah, let's see this is first, and click on next step, and on final step I'll click run to create XLS file. It's asking me for name and location. This name and location is okay. I just click save, and file has been created. Let's go and see file. I don't have Excel installed on this computer, and Excel is not required to install to be installed in order to do conversion things. However, I have Excel Mobile. It's a free version of Excel. It's just allowing me to view what is inside of XLS file, but I can change nothing. And if you have Excel, you can see data in more convenient way, because you see this is like it's not Excel, it's just viewer. And if you have a normal Excel, you will be able to see this data. But even with this viewer, I can see how everything was stored. Excuse me. And you can see we have a time created when this event happened and data associated with this event. Yeah, and I can select more columns to have it more like wider, and let's select something else, like maybe computer, name, keywords. Yeah. Next, run. And let's save the file. We have another file. Let's take a look at this. Here you can see we have a time, we have name, which is name of the process, and we have keywords, which is name of the error usually. If there is a system error with specific number, it will be here, and we have a data. Yeah, basically that's it. We can, or we can convert like entire thing. Let's go crazy and convert entire. We select all, click on next, click on run, and it will create entire thing, and we can open it and then see what is inside. Yeah, inside we have record number, channel, computer, level, keywords, process, threads. It's surprisingly not bad. I thought it would be looking much worse into Excel, but surprisingly it's not that bad. But we can see all data has been stored in our XLS format. Yeah, basically that's it. We converted our event file to old Excel format. If you have any questions, please leave them in comments below, or if you have any ideas, please feel free to leave them in comments below. And if you'd like to see more application like this and more video like this, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.